This morning we are perfecting, listen to this, we're perfecting the art, and it is an art, of pickling. We are joined this morning by Catherine Rogers, founder of Maya Moon Cacao Cafe.
That's right.
And Austin Durant, author and founder of Fermenters Club.
This is our drinking cacao. You get honey marshmallows on the top. We use all natural sweetener, sustainably sourced ingredients. We love bringing healthy, delicious options to the community.
You're mixing, this is weird. Is it safe to say this is weird?
It's a little weird.
It's a little weird. Cacao and pickles. Catherine, is that a good pairing?
I would sip the cacao, then pickle, then another sip. Let's try it. Sip
Okay,
first.
cheers.
Cheers.
Hold on. This is the
All
first
right.
for me, so take it easy. Okay, here we go. Is this hot? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is superb.
And now we gotta get a pickle chaser. Got a little garlic in there. That's nice.
The pickle is fantastic.
Delicious. Love that.
Now we chase it, you say. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So I have to, hold on.
I think it works.
I got a bigger piece of.
That works.
Sweet and salty. You know, cacao is fermented just like pickles.
I mean,
This is true.
So lots
who
of health
thought
benefits.
of that though? Because these are two things that I don't think anybody would ever think to put together. Where did the idea come from?
Well, Austin and I met actually a decade ago, and we just both love healthy ingredients and good quality food. So we love to experiment too. And we love hosting workshops, and that's what brought Fermenters Club to Maya Moon. We're having a workshop coming up this Sunday.
And this guy actually wrote the book on pickles. Austin, how do you write a book on pickles? Like, what do you mean a book on pickles?
So basically, a lot of different foods are fermented. About a third of the foods that we eat. That includes pickles. That includes cheeses, sourdough bread, kombucha. So I wrote a cookbook based on all of the sort of traditions of fermented foods.
Okay, explain the difference. Fermenting, is that the same as pickling, or is it kind of little intricacies and differences?
Well, what I like to say is all ferments are pickled, but not all pickles are fermented. So there's different ways to make pickles, right? You can add the cucumbers in the to a jar.
I like that you asked me, do you think this is something you want to do? I was like,
yes.
Come on, Austin, absolutely. What do you want me to do?
We got peppercorns. We got
peppercorns.
Just throw
all of them?
No, about half of them in there.
Half of them? All right.
And we got some,
I like that.
And some fresh garlic cloves. Put those in there as well.
All of
Dump
them?
them all in. We like it garlicky.
She loved the garlic, right?
It was good,
Yeah, I love garlic too. Let's get all the garlic.
And now grab some of those fresh dill leaves. That's fresh dill. So maybe just
one of these things?
Yeah, a little of those.
Like just like one?
Yeah, just.
Is that enough?
Get a couple
more
of those. Yeah.
Like a whole like this?
You're going bold with the flavor, Raul.
Listen,
You gotta get
I am a bold flavor person. How's that?
One more.
One more?
Throw them all. There you go.
Listen, you wrote the book on it.
Now,
you know what you're doing. Okay,
now basically use your Tetra skills and put as many cucumbers in the jar as you can.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Ready? I'm good at the Tetris, so watch this.
Personally, I like to do them whole like we're doing, but you can also slice them. You might be able to.
Oh, I see. Sure.
Yeah, just get a couple.
And those are the freshest cucumbers, right? Locally sourced.
Oh yeah, these are from JR Organics Farm up in Escondido.
Well, I got 4 in
beautiful
there.
job. That's beautiful.
You know, I told you something unique. I don't know if it's unique. I don't like cucumbers. I love pickles. Is that like a thing? Is that normal?
It is, because the transformation that goes on during fermentation changes the texture, changes the flavor. Now,
okay, here we go. What's this?
That is brine. So it's salt and water, and that is where the magic happens. Okay. So here's the secret.
I'm gonna blow your mind right now. Ready?
Oh yeah.
One more of those.
Yes. Oh yeah, great.
Okay.
Now grab one of these. Do you know what this is?
It seems like the piece of leaf that fell from our plastic plant in the studio.
Actually, it's real though. This is a fig leaf. Now
are we putting that in there?
Yeah, go ahead and we can stuff it down on the side. Okay. This, believe it or not, is the secret to the crispy pickle. So there's chemicals in the leaf that help keep the cell walls of the cucumber crispy as it sort of ferments. Now the last step is to pour the brine on top and submerge it. Yeah, get everything in there.
Okay, ready? This piece doesn't want to go. Okay. Ready? The whole thing?
Just until you get to the top of
Well, yeah, that's what I
top of the jar.
Slow this thing. Come on, Austin. Ready? I wish we had music for this. This is exciting.
Pickle music.
I want to
You got background sounds.
Now I regret asking for music. Okay, ready?
This was a mistake.
How's that? More?
Great job.
Good? Look at the little peppercorn floating.
So now what we do is we wait. We hurry up and wait. So this is a about
We only have a couple
7
minutes
days.
in the
I understand. 7 days or so.
Got it.
It will turn into something that looks like this. So,
I see. There you go.
This is
and you don't put like a lid on it?
We do. We do.
Okay.
We want to make sure flies and dust stay out of it, but we cover it loosely.
And I love that this is the secret to a crispy pickle. A lot of people wouldn't even know that. And that's what it looks like.
And you'll learn stuff like that, lots of tips and tricks at the workshop.
So the pickle workshop is happening Sunday. What are people going to learn? Aside from tasting the cacao, the hot chocolate with this, what are we going to learn? Just actually how to do that at home?
So yes, we're actually going to, everybody's going to do what we just did, make and take home their own jar. I'm going to talk about
it's fascinating.
The health benefits of fermentation and all the different styles that we can do.
I love this. This is really cool. Look at this.
I love it too. I could do this all day.
And this hot chocolate, what is this? Did we mention what?
Oh, these are honey marshmallows. So
honey
all naturally
marshmallows.
sweetened. Yep, you got some foam in your cup. You want one more in there?
Yeah. Oh my God.
There you go.
Honey marshmallow? You guys are cool. Hold on. We will see you Sunday right there, Maya Moon Collective Cafe in Normal Heights. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for having some fun with us. Cheers. One more time.
Thank you.
I didn't even talk about those chocolate cupcakes I see over there. We'll see you there on Sunday. We'll be right back.